Okay, this is problem 3 of physics test 1, okay? We're looking to see where the paintball landed. There's a knot here, knot on a tree right here. It's 8 meters above the ground. Paintball was fired 17 meters away, going 50 meters per second. Okay, that's the velocity, right? We don't know the angles, we don't know theta. So that's our first thing. In order to find this distance, we're looking for d, the distance that the paintball hit from the knot. We're going to do that by using trigonometry and finding those theta for x and y. Okay? For x, we're going to do opposite over adjacent, which is 8 divided by 17 to give us this number. And then we're going to find the y. Now this one, to find cosine, we're going to do the adjacent over the theorem we use, which is a squared plus b squared. So 17 over 17 squared plus 8 squared. And we're going to use this number now. Okay, so now that we have those two, we're going to plug it into a bigger equation. This is a law of motion equation of horizontal displacement, okay? We're looking for y, not x. Why? Because y is on the y-axis, right? Not the x. We're looking for the displacement on the y-axis. That's why we're going for y. And that's also why we're using tan, because x goes with the tangent here. Okay, so x tan, subtracting gravity times our x squared, 2 to our velocity on that vector, right? Cosine squared, okay? So here's our full equation after plugging everything. This came from our x formula, this came from our y formula. This is a known, this is a known, this is a known, this is a known. So we just plugged it all together and we came out with these larger numbers. This number divided by that number. So we get, okay, this number minus this number is giving us a distance, a measurement. So now this is y. This is the displacement under this arc, this projectile. That's the displacement under it. 7.3 under that displacement. So how far away is it from the knot, right? Our distance is simply 8 meters minus y. Now we know y. 8 minus 7.3. The answer is 0.7 meters away from the knot. This distance is 0.7 meters away from the knot.